Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aryan Decodes. Today I am going to share with you interesting information on nervous system and how does it works. So let's get started. The nervous system. The system that controls and coordinates the actions of all organs of our body is called the nervous system. Examples are breathing, walking, talking, remembering names or lessons. Different parts of nervous system are brain, spinal cord and a network of nerves. The first part of nervous system is brain. The brain is at the top of the spinal cord and is protected by the heart skull. The brain lies inside the head. The brain is the control center of our body. Messages are received or sent from the brain along nerves. The brain can do many different types of work at a time. The brain is divided into three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. The first part of brain is cerebrum. It is the main part of the brain. It is the thinking part of our brain. It has many folds and grooves. It is the place where our memory resides. It receives message from our sense organs and decides what the different parts of the body should do. The functions of cerebrum are: it controls our voluntary muscles to help us with activities such as kicking a ball, skipping, etc. Helps us to think hard while we solve maths problems. It controls our feelings such as sadness, happiness and fear. It helps us see, hear, learn, think and remember. The second part of the brain is cerebellum. It is an egg-shaped part under the cerebrum at the back of the head. The functions of cerebellum are: it helps to coordinate the actions of the muscles so that they can work together. It helps us to stand upright and move around. It helps in balancing during walking, running, cycling and so on. The third part of the brain is medulla. It is the lowest brain stem. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. This part of our brain keeps working even when you are asleep. The functions of medulla are: it controls our involuntary muscles for actions such as breathing, digestion, blood circulation, coughing and sneezing. In short, it is in charge of all the functions the body needs to perform to stay alive. Now let's learn about spinal cord. The spinal cord links the brain to the other parts of the body. It begins at the medulla of the brain and extends all along the back. It is a long and thick bundle of nerves protected inside the vertebral column that is made up of 33 bones called vertebrae. The nerves. Nerves are thread-like branch structures. They are present in the entire body. The nerves carry messages back and forth between the brain and the rest of the body. There are three types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves, mixed nerves. Now let us see how these nerves work. Sensory nerves. Sensory nerves carry messages from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord. Motor nerves carry orders from the brain or the spinal cord to the muscles. Mixed nerves carry both messages and orders to and from the brain or the spinal cord. Now let us see what this reflex action means. Reflex action is a quick response to a stimulus. The nervous system controls all our actions. Some of our actions are automatic. We do not have to think before doing them. These actions are controlled by the spinal cord. Examples are blinking of eyes, watering of mouth on seeing food, sneezing or yawning. If we get an electric current, we will pull our hand, pulling our hand away from the hot object even before we feel the pain. Friends, I want to share with you an amazing fact. Cerebrum has two halves. Right half of the cerebrum controls the left side of your body and the left half controls the right side. Friends, I hope you learned something new about nervous system. Please subscribe to my channel for more informative videos and click on the bell icon to get notified when we upload a video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.